Alright, here we go. Welcome back to my channel. Here's your boy, Forex Noypi. And today mga ka-Noypi, pag-uusapan natin ang isang broker. I got a request or a message on one of my videos, and the message is about asking to review a specific broker. Now, mga ka-Noypi, I don't really do broker reviews. Meron akong video that I released, and you will see that on the upper right hand corner of this screen. At ang video na to, pinapakita ko lang kung how do you choose the right broker for you. Ngayon, depende kasi sa type ng trader na tulad ko, prefer lower spreads in case I wanted to do scalping. But if you're a swing trader, sometimes the spreads does not really matter. You also wanted to check the reviews, and basta panoorin nyo mga ka-Noypi yung video na yan, at you will learn more on how to be able to choose the correct broker for you. Okay? Pero ngayon mga ka-Noypi, shout out lang kay Hens Vinegar, at siya yung nag-request on the type of broker, which is Samtrade broker. His message was asking and saying that this broker was actually offering a 250% bonus, and nag-o-offer pa sila ng tutorials at strategy about trading. Tapos pag nag-sign up ka daw, dalawa ang dashboard mo, one for trading and other one is for referrals. Kapag ayaw mo mag-trade or wala kang hilig sa trading, kumikita ka pa rin daw through referrals. Unlimited daw ang kitaan sa referrals as long as may nagsa-sign up at nagde-deposit. Is that true? Okay, so sa video na to, we'll talk about that, and we'll just look at the nitty-gritty stuff of Samtrade Forex. Okay, so let's start. Unang-una sa lahat mga ka-Noypi, if I want to do reviews, ang unang-una kong tinitingnan is Google. Okay, so tingnan natin ang Google. So I went to google.com and searched Samtrade FX review Google. I don't go deep into the reviews here kasi sobrang daming articles nito, and I do not really want to read. I just get what's the ones on top. Okay, so ito, people also ask, is Samtrade a legit FX? Is an FX account free? Europe FX legit? Tapos ito yung Samtrade FX legit. Kung legit ba daw, this is what we're gonna look at. And if I pull it down, makikita natin this review is coming from scamonline.net, at nagsasabing Samtrade FX is a scam that does not have regulated licenses. We advise you to avoid this broker if you don't want to have a problem. If you have a victim of this broker, don't hesitate to leave us a comment to report this broker and avoid other people from being victims. Okay, so ito ay pinost dito February 23 ngayong taon 2020. Syempre hindi naman tayo nagbasta-basta magtitiwala sa kung anong lang nakalagay dyan. We have to do a little bit more research, and at this time we go to the website of Samtrade FX. Ngayon mga ka-Noypi, pag pumunta tayo sa website niya, syempre ang makikita natin is everything that is pro them, right? Pero let's just look at the facts. So this is the Samtrade FX website, at makikita natin there are certificates that is outlined in here. Cardiff Trader Championship. Marami kasing ganito mga ka-Noypi sa mga brokers. Sometimes they create a contest of who's the best trader, and then whoever wins will get additional cash on their account. If we scroll down a little bit, makikita natin Samtrade FX and what they are all about. Nakalagay dito yung mga what's in it for you as a trader pag nag-sign up ka sa kanila as their broker. So makikita natin dito, sasabihin nila, we make trading easy, fund security is strictly segregated account, easy payment, multiple deposit and withdrawal methods, tight spreads, fast, accurate, and transparent, excellent service, efficient, dedicated customer support. Sabi rin nila, sila ay one-stop exclusive partner, at sinasabi nila na a bonus with every trade, which is the cash rebate program. Okay, so dito pwede natin itong tingnan if we find out more. This is where we're gonna be placed at Sam Rewards. So dito sa Sam Rewards mga ka-Noypi, ito yung referral system nila. Along with that is you earn what they call SAM coins when you trade, when you use trade, and that's outlined in here. If you trade 0.01 lot, SAM coins earned will be 1 of 100 the amount. And the number of referred client cannot be existing Samtrade FX client. Must successfully open a live account and did one trade in order to earn the reward. So, ito yung sinasabi sa'yo, Hans, na both referred and referral client will earn refer a friend SAM coins. Yung SAM coins, ito yung equivalent niya. Pag meron ka 300 SAM points, magkakaroon ka ng 1.5 SAM coins multiplier, and so on and so forth. Sa makatuwid, it's a referral system. It's a business platform, mga Kanoypi, para sa kaalaman ng lahat. It is a business platform to encourage a lot of traders to sign up with them as a broker. Ngayon, it's enticing. Pero ang opinion ko, mga Kanoypi, para sa akin is if you're a starting broker, kung hindi ka pa naman ganun katagal sa industriya ng financial markets as a brokerage company, I usually don't go for it. My personal opinion, again I highlight, it is my personal opinion. I do not want to be with a broker that is not as established or well established as the ones that are or have been in the financial markets for a very long time. Bakit? Kasi mga Kanoypi, mahahalata mo yun when there is so much promos going on in a specific broker, having them to entice more traders to join their brokerage. It only means that they are either wanting to grow, or they are losing customers or clients, so to speak, right? And ako, personally, I bank most on the tenure of the broker. Para sa akin, Samtrade Forex, I haven't looked more. If I look at their business model here in their website, about us, company news, I haven't looked at it so much. However, based on the enticing incentives that they offer, I don't buy it. Okay? Kasi alam ko na yung objective kung bakit may ganun. Kasi they want to encourage people, and I don't want to be part of those encouragement. I want to know saan mas magiging safe yung pera ko. Sa current broker ko ngayon, which is IC Markets, I have been there, I have tested them, they've been in the markets for a very long time, and I have not really heard about Sam Rewards or Sam Forex, Samtrade Forex. I haven't really heard about them, and I've been in the financial markets for a while as well myself. So kung ako ang tatanungin, I don't have anything against Samtrade Forex. However, I think that if you are to look for a broker, don't be blinded or lured by the promotions that they have to offer. Okay? Mga Kanoypi, isang bagay pa na gusto kong tingnan dito is their legal information, right? Kung mapapansin mo dito, mga Kanoypi, this is the legal documents that they had posted here. They have the risk disclosure, full disclaimer, terms and conditions, privacy policy, anti-scam policy, refund cancellation, anti-money laundering policy, which is so normal, right? Pag nag-scroll down ako, wala na ako makikita dito. Ang hinahanap ko sana is them declaring or showing in a document that looks similarly like this. It's bold, it's highlighted, it's accentuated. Parang yung tingin mo dun sa website nila, pag pumunta ka sa legal information, binabrag nila tong mga policies na to. Tong mga documents na to, binabrag nila. But, bakit wala dito yung licenses agreements nila? Kung saan man silang bansa licensed, are they recognized by the SEC? That's like here in the Philippines, in Australia, in the UK, in the US. Saan? Where? So, hindi ko siya makita dito sa legal information, and it may be somewhere here, but it's definitely not the business model. It's not technology. If we look at licenses, the closest link that I can probably go to is legal information, right? And when I go there, I'm not seeing it, right? So hindi ko siya makita doon. So dahil doon, medyo naging malaking X na siya for me. At that's again my opinion. Ang mapapayo ko lang sa inyo mga Kanoypi, if you want to really select the best broker for you, ang pinaka importante kasi dyan is where are they licensed to operate. Ano silang, and you will see that in WikiFX. Pag pumunta tayo doon mga Kanoypi, ayan, so nandito tayo, tapos makikita natin dito kung pwede tayong maghanap ng brokers dito. At pwede naman nating tingnan at i-search dito yung Samtrader or Samtrade. Ayan. Dito makikita natin that they've been around the markets for 2 to 5 years only. It says it is a regulated broker in Australia. It says compensatable. Okay. Regulated in Australia, regulated in UK, at mukha namang legit in terms of the reviews and what the rating is here in WikiFX, right? Pakita ko lang sa inyo mga Kanoypi, this is the rating, 6.73 out of 10, and 10 being the highest. At makikita natin dito, ang pinakamababa is the business index, license index, and then the regulatory index, right? To me, that is a little bit a no-no. But for me to give you a comparison, okay, maghanap tayo ng ibang broker, right? So makikita natin dito, it's compensatable. Kita natin dyan. So maghanap tayo ngayon and let's look at FBS. FBS is also a broker. Dito ang nakalagay regulated. Regulated. So hindi ko alam kung ano ibig sabihin ng benchmark C. Pag tinignan natin sa Wiki FX, benchmark C, ito yung trading experience, hindi masyadong maganda. Spread environment is maganda para sa kanila. Walang ganong review sa Samtrade. Tingnan natin ang IC Markets. Ayan. So IC Markets, and this is what I'm talking to you guys about. Okay, FBS 2 to 5 years, IC Markets 10 to 15 years, and the rating is 7.68, benchmark A. Okay, so eto, trading experience mataas, spread environment mataas, rollover mataas, market hindi ganon kaganda. Ibig sabihin nito mga Kanoypi, hindi masyadong malawak yung opportunities to trade with IC markets. But the trading experience is nice, spread environment is nice, and so on and so forth. Okay? Pero sa Samtrade, it's not as good as what we think it should be. Okay? Again, ako, my personal standards is I look at the amount of years they have been in the financial markets. IC Markets has been here for 10 to 15 years, FBS 2 to 5 years, Samtrade 2 to 5 years. Okay? Ilalagay ko yung link nito mga Kanoypi sa description page ng wikifx.com. Kung maghahanap kayo ng broker, that's where you go. Okay? So, that's it for today mga Kanoypi. If you like what you had just watched now, please hit subscribe. Hit the notification bell para updated kayo mga Kanoypi sa lahat ng mga videos na i-release natin as we move forward. Okay? And syempre, nandiyan na rin lang naman kayo, pasok na kayo sa group natin sa Facebook, Forex for Beginners PHI. Dito, we share contents, we share motivational ideas, and some trading ideas as well, and some experiences like this. One day ago, I had just saw a price pattern, a trading pattern for gold. Pwede natin yang i-review on the next video kung ano nangyari dyan. And then, of course, I put here the next trading analysis that we do, and every videos that I upload actually on YouTube, I also put it here. Alright, so mga Kanoypi, thank you guys for watching, and please share the lab, and I will see you guys all on my next video. Salute!